Did you know that some of the world's most beautiful frogs are also the most dangerous? Meet the poison dart frog, a tiny amphibian with a deadly secret. These frogs, found in the rainforests of Central and South America, are famous for their brilliant colors, from electric blue to golden yellow. But those colors aren't just for show. They're a warning to predators. Stay away, I'm toxic. Take the golden poison dart frog, for example. This little creature has enough poison in its skin to kill 10 adult humans, or up to 20,000 mice. Indigenous people have even used their toxins to coat blow darts for hunting, which is how these frogs got their name. But how do these frogs become so poisonous? It's all in their diet. Scientists believe that the toxins come from the insects they eat, like ants and beetles, which contain toxic compounds that build up in the frogs' bodies. Despite their fearsome reputation, poison dart frogs are attentive parents. Some species carry their tadpoles on their backs, climbing up trees to find safe pools of water for their young to grow. So next time you see a tiny, colorful frog, remember, beauty can be deadly in the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife facts.